Okay, so now you're trying to figure out the type of material, right? So let's do our 4 most common types: vinyl, wood, ornamental, and chain link. What are the pros and cons? Or I guess we're mainly just talking about the pros here. So we have low maintenance for vinyl, wide color selection, style, and privacy. Now for ornamental, what do we have? We have low maintenance again, style, and then visibility. So what style is like, there's so many different types that you can do. Visibility is we can see through it. So say you have an amazing view, but you want security, but you don't want to block that view. That's the beauty of ornamental and chain link. You can see through it. Now wood, you could make a semi-private, and also vinyl has a semi-private, meaning you can kind of see through it and kind of private. But the beauty of wood and vinyl is you also have that privacy. So say you don't want to see through it. You don't want to see your neighbors. Then we have wood. The beauty of wood, there's a lot of pros and cons on wood. The beauty of wood is you can get that natural look. You can get like a huge selection of different colors due to the stains and the type of wood. It's pretty durable. Like you could throw rocks at it all day and it'd be fine. And it's private, and there's tons of different styles. So like companies can make anything. If you want, you could make any type of wood, really. The beauty of chain link is really cost effective. It's very durable and low maintenance. Otherwise, we do all American made. Everything's American made. The vinyl, ornamental, and chain link has a 10-year labor warranty. And like vinyl has a 30-year, ornamental has a 30-year, and 15-year on chain link for the manufacturers. So now let's decide. We have low maintenance vinyl, low maintenance chain link, low maintenance ornamental. Or are you looking for that look? You know, are you looking for the tons of different styles within vinyl or the tons of different styles within wood? So these are the 4 most common options. After you just look through all these, you can figure out exactly what you need that would fit you.